Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be writing my first program in the Rust programming language. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that I'm present in my Visual Studio Code, and inside this code what I will do, I will start from the hello world and then I will move to the another simple kind of application, that is the calculator. So let's write a file by the name of let's say hello.rs, and inside this file what I will do, I will create I will write a program like fn. This is the function, and inside this function what I will do, I will write hello, and after that once this is written what I will do, I will write print. What you can say, this is syntax of it, that how you can print the data, hello world, and then let's semicolon. So if I zoom in, this is the syntax of it, right? First of all, print line, this is the sign, and after that hello world and this semicolon, right? So let's save this, and now instead of writing like how you can run this, I will write rust say hello rs. Now it will give me the error that yeah, sorry, I need to call this in the main function. So let's write fun main, and once it is called then it will not give me the error, right? So let's save this, and now it is giving here, let's write clear, and now it will not give me the error. So now you can see here that this is the binary file that is created now, and now what I need to do, I will write hello like this. Hello. I will execute this binary file. As you can see here, hello world. So similarly, if I want to add another print line, I will write print line like this, sorry, and then after that I will write I am a Rustacean, right? So let's write semicolon, and now let's again convert it to binary, and now this time if I run the binary, hello world, I am a Rustacean. Yeah, this is how you can work on this. Now let's create another application that is basically the calculator. So let's write calculator file rs, and inside this file what I will do, I will write first of all the global variables. So how I can do this, I will write the static. So static means that the variable will be exist in during the whole program, right? So during the whole program the static variable will be existing, and by nature and by default the static variable is immutable. It means that it cannot be changed, but if you want to change it, I will be writing the mute. So it can be changed, like the static variable can be changed. So what is that static variable? It will be the result, right? So let's write the result. So this result can be changed as a mutable variable, and let's write the what you can say data type of it, integer 128. So that integer is the bigger integer that can be if any big number is given to it, it can accept it. So it's the integer value 128 bits, and now let's write the value of this integer 0. So currently this integer value is 0, but once the result is different, then it can be changed because it is mutable, and this result will be in different format. So let's work on the functions. So add, this time I will be writing num, and this is the integer value like 128 bits, and now let's write this is the parameter, and inside this function what I will do, I will write what you can say unsafe. Why unsafe? So basically unsafe means that calling a global variables inside the function can be risky, so it can give some bugs. So that's the reason that I have to write the unsafe. So there is another way in which I can make this safe, but I'm just telling you that calling the global variables inside the function can be risky, so it can cause some bugs. That's the reason that you need to write the unsafe, right? So this is the purpose of it. Now let's write the unsafe. Inside the unsafe what I will write result plus is equal to what you can say num. Now print line, now this time what I will do, result. So now this result value will be changed, because if the num is given, then that num will be added to the 0. Let's say if the 2 is given, so as a parameter, then the 2 will be added to 0. So it means 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. All right, so it means it is mutable, it can be changed. Now the next thing that I will be the next function is going to be subtract. So inside the subtract, I will write the parameter like integer 128 bits, and then I will write unsafe, because I'm also calling the global variable, so that's the reason. And result is equal to minus is equal to num. So what does it mean? So let me just write it like this: result is equal to result minus num. So it will work like this. So result minus num. Similar here, similar case here also. So if I show you the demonstration of it, result plus num. All right, so it will be adding the result into number. It will be subtracting the result from the number. So now after that, let's write println. Sorry, we need to like result. Now this time it will be fine. Let's write the semicolon here. Now the next function is going to be what you can say multiplication, right? Multiply num is equal to I 128, and this time is going to be unsafe. So what I will do, I will write result. This times multiply into num, and this is going to be the same result multiplied by num. All right, so let's write println, not in capital letters, like small letters. After that, let's write what you can say result. And one thing I have missed, and that is basically to write the like this. In order to print the result, I need to call this like this, right? So let's copy this. I have forgotten about it. So yeah, sorry about that. Let's call this here. Let's paste it here like this. Now it will work fine. After that, let's call this in the main function. So let's call this main function, and inside this main function, what I will write the variable let variable. So this is a variable name, and after that this is a variable value in data type, so basically the integer 128 bit, and after that let's give the value 2. All right, so now the variable value is going to be 2, and that variable value is going to be called here in the add. So let's write variable. So now add subtract variable. After that, multiply variable, semicolon. Now this will work fine. Save this, and after that, let's call this here. What I will do, first of all, rust c calculator rs. Now it is not giving me any kind of error, so let's write calculator. Now we can see is a directory. I need to write like this. Now it will give me this data here like this. Yeah, so basically what it is doing, first of all, it is let me just demonstrate it here. So first of all, here is the result. So in the addition, result plus number, so result is equal to 0 plus number is equal to 2. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So this is the given result to me here, and after that the next thing is basically this. So 2, and inside here result minus number. So what is the result now? Because the result is now 2, it is not 0, instead it is now 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So why this is 2? So basically it is 2 because it is now added. So now the result is equal to 2, and now this 2 is now here. So that's the reason that it is now 2, and this is the 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I hope you understood. Basically, first of all, it is added. Now this addition is equal to the result, and this result is now added, is present here, and this 2 is equal minus to the this 2, and now it became 0. Now the next thing is basically the, what you can say, this 0, because this is the result. This is the result, and now this is the result that is called here. So 0 is called here, that is also the result. So 0 minus 2, that is multiplied. So 0 minus 0, sorry, minus, not minus, 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. So this is the case. So basically this is the result that is called here, this is the result that is called here, and this is also the result. Right? So in the addition case, this is the 2 result. In the subtraction, this is the 0. In the multiplication, this is also 0. So that's the reason this is giving me this data here. So I hope you understood that what is this. What you can say, this is the Rust programming. This simple program that I have not briefly explained in a deep. I have just created a simple calculator application. There are many errors in it, like I need to make it from the unsafe to safe, but still you got the idea that how you can use it. So yeah, the syntax is little bit hard for the beginners. So if you are starting out as a beginner, then I don't recommend you to learn from the Rust. Instead, you should pick the Go language or Python or any other beginner-friendly language. So Rust is a little bit advanced. So yeah, this is the code that you can see it. I hope you will like it, and you will find this code on the GitHub repository also. I will give the link of that repo in the description below so that you can check it out. I hope you like it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.